Yeah, really comfy.
Yeah?
Really comfy. I don't know what you have to go down on the road. We found the well in the line of the building, but we have a plan to build over it. But we've realised that whether we fill it in or keep it, we have to empty it first, and we all got a little bit worried when we were down there the other day about the safety. So we've been working out how to do it safely, and we've got ropes and a harness, and we're going to see how it goes.
Welcome back to the House Restorer. Obviously things have progressed, mainly outdoors. They've found a well, they're trying to empty the well, but obviously we're slightly concerned about safety. So we've brought in some abseiling kit, not to abseil down, but more so to support Sally's weight in case there's any slippage, any falls into the well, so that at least there's something secure in her if that should happen. And I urge you, if you're watching this, to subscribe to the channel, hit those thumbs up and support it all the way, because this is really turning out to be an exciting project.
So, as you know, we found the well in the garden, but we've been working with the architect and the structural engineer, and we do think we've come up with well, a couple of options. But our favourite option at the moment is to put a couple of steels down that will bridge across the well, and we'll build an additional pad foundation to hold the steel to the right of the well, and it will sit on the existing or the new footings for the extension on the other side. That will allow us to build up from there, but it will also allow us to expose the well either on the outside or the inside or both.
Well, that'll do it.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, that wasn't a guide for nothing.